Now that I have the back part of my kitchen somewhat organized, and I have assembled my heavy-duty bamboo butcher block rolling cart, which extends the counter space in my small kitchen, a great place to drop off gifts like I received yesterday on Mother's Day of living plants, face scrub, lavender lotion, food items, and beautiful cards from my neighbors. It's also a great place to plant seeds. And today I want to show you the OKRA Plug Plant Trainer. This is a seed tray that was given to me by my fans Steve and Rosemary. It's from Sweden, and I can't wait to share it with you, so stay tuned. Before I get into the seed tray, I want to talk about the seeds that I'm going to plant. Now, I know that it's already May, but I just got a grow light, and I'm going to pretend like seasons don't matter, and I am going to start some pepper seeds. These are the BIQUINHO red and BIQUINHO yellow, and they're hot. They're tiny, and I can't wait to try them. When Jack Davis came to visit me last fall at Late Bloomer Garden 1.0, she brought me seeds. These two she thought would be great for containers. It's container cucumber bush slicer and container zucchini ASTIA and Egyptian spinach. This is something that I want to grow again. The beneficial insects love this plant, and we made a great recipe when she was at my house. And okra. I love okra, and she grows the biggest green okra. This is the Bradford family okra that's popular in the Phoenix Valley, and I'm hoping it does well here. These are some red Thai peppers that Steve gave me to try. He knows that I love the Thai pepper. It grows straight up like a candle. So these are the seeds that's going into this. Let's see, how many plugs? 49 plug planter. I don't know what I'll do with 49 plants, but I'm gonna find out. Steve has a number of these plug trainers and loves them better than any other seed tray. So let's check it out. These are your plugs. They're absolutely tiny. This is how it comes out of the box. So you take this off. This is the water tray. This is the dome. And this is your plug planter. And you release this. What's it stuck on? There we go. Okay, it sits up like this, on top of it loosely, and it catches here on the sides so it doesn't go down all the way. And then you fill these cells with compost. You invert the lid, the dome, and press down, which makes a little point, a little indentation in each hole. You drop the seed in there. You water from the top, and then you cover it with the dome. Okay? When the seeds have germinated and you're ready, you press this down, and as you can see, there are spikes here. And those spikes push that plug right up out of that cell. And we are going to give this a try. First, we need our compost. That looks pretty good. The beauty of this is you get 49 plugs to pot up. Okay, now we're going to invert the dome and press down. but not hard enough to push it in. Right, okay. Ooh, got a little bit too much soil here, I think. Let's take some of that back. Okay, let's try that again. This is my first time. Okay, there we go. Looks pretty good. Oh, you know what? We need tweezers. I've got to sweep it off. These seeds don't want to be planted. Come on. Two went in the wrong hole. There you go. Phew! Taff, I think that's bad. These Egyptian spinach seeds are tiny and you can't even see them against the brown soil. Tiny. No, I can't see that. I'm going to have to get them out of my hand. These Egyptian spinach seeds are kind of a beautiful green color, dark green color. Here's one. Okay. Whew, these are easier. These are the zucchini seeds. Okra. I like to take the fattest seeds. I do not have 7 seeds. I have 3 BIQUINHO red pepper hots. Well, good. I'll plant more okra. Thai peppers. I've got a little bit of a flood here because my watering can is leaking. Didn't notice that. Okay, now we're supposed to water them in. I feel like I want to push the seeds in a little bit so they won't fly out. I think it might be better to spray it gently, but there were no yellow hots. It will be very easy to determine which of these are cucumber and squash and okra plants and pepper plants. So the only question will be trying to figure out which of the pepper plants are which. Is that a seed? Yes, that's a seed. Get in there. Thanks so much for watching this channel, liking my videos, and especially sharing them with your friends. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And I have assembled my heavy duty, the Agrelon plum. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.